guys, Mia from Mia's World of Travel, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, Mr. Aerial Drone and I are traveling to my home state of New York for the kickoff of my 55th birthday celebratorial season. Wow, what an epic time. We flew out of Hartsfield Jackson International here in Atlanta, the busiest airport in the world, which also happens to be our home airport. And about 2.5 hours later, we were landing in New York's JFK. I want to be part of it. New York. Mr. Aerial Drone and I landed at JFK, the clock started and the countdown began. Just in case I had not previously mentioned, we had less than 24 hours and plenty of sightseeing to do. As you see, we quickly deplaned and headed for Grand Central Station by the way of AirTran and the Long Island Railroad. Normally, we would have taken AirTran to Penn Station, but the Grand Central route was a better option for us because the walk from Grand Central to New York's Marriott Marquis was much less brutal for those of us who are no longer used to New York winter. Once after we arrived in Midtown, I was so overwhelmed with the excitement and ready to get our self-guided tour underway. And with that being said, please continue to enjoy this video as you see just what we did during our time in New York. It's up to you. And as always, thank you for watching. And guys, please remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Ciao for now.